I just finished planting garlic. I planted music in this section here. It's the most I've ever planted of this variety. I want to grow more because I'm really pleased with how nice and big the heads came out this year. Then over here I've planted Russian red in its usual spot. I had planted some lettuce here when I pulled up last year's garlic, and then later I put radishes in where there were open spots, so I couldn't bring myself to pull up the lettuce that's here, so I planted the garlic around it. I did go ahead and harvest some of the radishes that were growing in here, but I think I still fit quite a bit of garlic in here. Plus I have that section of the other variety there. So we'll see how it comes out next year. All done. For planting, I used the biggest cloves from this garlic that I harvested back in July. That's music garlic in the middle on the left and Russian red on the right. And this is how the Russian red garlic looked right before I harvested it in July. Then I cured it, and then I stored it. What I didn't plant yesterday will be used in my garden to table cooking in the coming months. Yum!